Kasi naman daw yan. 800. Quezon City Hall ba yan? Ay, Philippine.
When you walked away, when all of
Quezon Avenue C Road, Quezon Avenue West, Outer SVC Road. Slight right onto Quezon Avenue West, Outer SVC Road.
Diyan.
300 meters, turn left onto EDSAS SVC.
Captain Henry Javier. Kunting right lang pala.
200 meters, merge onto Carlos P. Garcia Avenue, C5.
like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time.
Expressway. Tawa di yan BYD din no. 4.5 kilometer. 20 to.
Only you found
Liver ka. Heritage.
Ay, hindi tayo, hindi pala tayo.
Ayan na, East Service Road.
Ayan.
South Headwest. Na 3.2.
Service Road. Head east toward General Santos Avenue, East Service Road.
goodbye.
Wala Manila. Sige na pa. Kasi may MD. Expressway ka may pang check. Dito sa expressway tayo na nag-overstay. Stretching. 24 kilometers ka na. Ayan, Santa Rosa Prater. 17. Calamba City.
Do you remember when you said you'd stay? When all of our memories kept us feeling okay. I know that you've been crying again, but time again I tried my best to be there for you. But you don't remember me like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time.
200 meters, look at highway.
Speaking. Anong gagawin natin dito? Dito muna tayo.
I wish I could just
Kasi may electric pa. Muna tayo.